You say you're kinda different, like you never fit the mold. Like everyone around you came in beige and you came bold. You call it being weird, like it's something to repair. But honey, if they don't get you, that just means you're extra rare. They squint like they're confused, but that's not on you, I swear. Some people only notice normal, 'cause they've never seen a flare. You're not weird, you're rare, like a comet in the daylight, lighting up the air. You're not strange, you're strong. You've been shining in a world that's been beige too long. They don't know what to do with someone who's got flair. But trust me, love, you're not weird, you're rare. You think you're hard to handle 'cause you feel a little deep, like your spirit always dancing while the others fall asleep. But that's your sacred fire, that's your rhythm, that's your spark. You're the lantern in the nighttime, you're the color in the dark. They whisper from the sidelines, but that's just background noise. You're busy being stardust while they're busy squashing joys. You're not weird, you're rare, like a firework that pops when no one else would dare. You're not art, you're art. You're the masterpiece that doesn't fit the chart. They don't know what to do with someone who won't compare. But trust me, love, you're not weird, you're Let them call it hard, let them call it strange. Every world change is started by refusing to exchange their colors for the common, their spark for fitting in. You'll never shift the world, but trying to blend in. You're not weird, you're rare, like a lightning bolt that dances through the midnight air. You're not wrong, you're right. You're the reason that the shadows learn to love the light. They don't know what to do with someone who's so aware. But trust me, love, you're not weird, you're rare. And the world is better 'cause you're there.